Hey everybody, video number 28 on this lovely, lovely fun day, Sunday. I just want to stress, absolutely stress, and in this sense when I say stress I mean underscore, I mean share the importance of. I'm actually stressing the point I'm going to make so that you can relieve and release and remove the stress, the physical, the emotional, the mental stress from your life. I want to stress the importance of a fun day in your week. For me, it's Sunday, and it just happens to rhyme, Fun Day Sunday, but that whether you call it Fun Day Sunday or Sacred Sunday or whichever day of the week, come up with a cool name for it and make it your fun day. Make it a day that is separate from all other days, like Passover. Why is this night different from all other nights? Your fun day is going to be different from all other days. Now mind you, you can do a little here and a little there when it comes to busy work, business, work, this, that, but the majority of the day, and I highly recommend if you can find the full day, do the full day as a fun day, because we do so much. We do a lot. We really, 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 really do. And it gets to us, and it builds up, and it compounds, and it's not going to help us in the long run. And just having a single day, again, full day, or at least a majority of a day where we can release, relax, let go. In a sense, we're bringing health back to ourselves that way. We're bringing joy into our hearts, into our souls. We're giving our mind a break from crunching numbers, from focusing on the computer. And we're rejuvenating. My Fun Day Sunday today, I slept in a little bit. I went to Farm Sanctuary's Animal Acres with my wife. We spent the whole day there. I did some Reiki on some animals, which is work sometimes and is fun sometimes, and it is a mixture of both, of course. I have fun when I work. But we hung out and just chilled with most of the animals for most of the time. Then we went to a vegan, we went to a beer garden that used to be vegan, and now it's not quite, but has tons of vegan options. The Sprouted Garden Cafe in Silver Lake. I enjoyed a meal. And then we came home and browsed through some horror films. And now we're gonna have some dinner right over here. Here we go. Here's some dinner. Almost done. Done. And then we're gonna go to a concert that a friend of ours is playing along with a singer that we love to follow and listen to. Without this Sunday, I would be lost going into my Monday throughout the week. This break is essential for me rebooting so that I can launch into my Monday fresh. And maybe it might not be on the weekend for you. Maybe it might be right in the middle of the week, your Wednesday. But whatever you use it as, whatever day it is, use it as that launching point to say, today's my refresh day. Today's my super fun day in every sense of what fun is. And I'm going to launch into my passions, what I'm going to do, what I'm going to make, what I'm going to create in this world from this day on. Find your fun day, let me know when it is, let me know what you will be doing, and do it every week for the rest of your life. And if you have time to put more fun days in, go for it. That would be awesome. I'm looking forward to that. Video number 28. Have a happy fun day.